Today we're looking at this robot cleaner. This one is really neat because it can not only sweep, but it can also mop your floors. It has a unique U design. That way it fits in the corners better. It fits along your edges and doesn't take up as much space. It's just really nice and thought through design. It has the side brushes here that twirl and get that mess swept up into the vacuum here, and you can see that it's a nice silicone right here. That way, in case it goes over something that is going to cause it trouble, it's not going to get stuck. It's able to just keep going and move over it. With a charging dock and the cord to plug it in, it has this nice little buffer here. That way, in case it hits something, it doesn't do damage to the vacuum itself. It has that nice buffer that's going to be able to maybe hit it nicely and then be able to avoid it, or it does sense things before it gets there. So that way, if it senses you or a big obstacle, it is able to maneuver around it instead for just keep banging against it. And this also just helps with going along the walls and things like that. It has 4 different modes. So you can set it to zigzag, you can set it to manual, you can set it to spot and on the edges. So you're able to control it, and it comes with the control that you're able to use it without having to download another app on your phone. So this is fully functional. You need 2 AA batteries, and you can set a clock, a schedule for it. You can change the modes, you can change the go and stop, and then be able to manually maneuver it around. So here, you're gonna open it, and this is the way you're going to clean it out. It has the filter and where it's going to collect all the debris in here. So here's the filter. It comes with 2, so you have 1 extra. You open it up, dump it out, clean it. Another awesome feature about this that I love is it comes with a mop option. So you can fill this up with water, just takes a little bit, and then it comes with this one and then another reusable, washable pad that just Velcros on and off. You slide this and put that on, clips right on. That way, if it's filled with water, it's going to be able to sweep up your floor and then give it a nice mop over. That way, it just helps with the cleaning process, helps with it look clean and refreshed. See the wheels here, they have a nice traction to them, so they don't just slide and slip.